Many organizations still rely on legacy Visual Basic applications that perform critical business functions. Replacing them isn't always practical or necessary. At Winning Solutions, Inc., we help businesses support and extend their existing VB systems. Our team can maintain and enhance legacy applications, fix bugs, and improve performance. We also extend functionality safely, adding new features without breaking what already works. If your source code is available, enhancements are often straightforward. No source code? No problem. WSI can reverse engineer or rebuild missing components. When modernization becomes the goal, we plan smooth migrations to VB.net or C#.net without disrupting operations. Our mission is simple: preserve your business value while reducing long-term risk. With experience dating back to 1996, WSI has helped countless companies keep legacy systems alive and thriving. Don't replace what works, enhance it with WSI. Winning Solutions, Inc., preserving legacy systems, powering modern success. Call 515-239-9900 or visit winningsolutionsinc.com to get started today.